Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a color drop rain. First, we have to take our test tubes, a cup, some colors, and a bottle of oil. Why does it say easy? Okay. Now we first open the oil, then put it to this cup. That's enough. Then we have to put these. Now you see the yellow is very, you know, gone, almost gone. Get in there. I think that will be enough because I have very so much. That will be enough. Now close. And now we'll take our blue and take another test. Oh, ah, man! That might be enough. Look what I did. I'll clean this later. Small. Okay, now we'll continue. Now we'll take our red. I hope I don't split it like the blue. Yeah. Now just take it slowly. Bro. I hope I don't spill this. Oh my god. What the hell? Well, let's check. Bruh. Now it's really. Is there a tissue down here? Now you take whatever this is. And
Dropper.
I mean dropper. And just put it. First let's take the yellow because this down. Is that it? Now the kill here and bruh. Wait, let me there's bruh. Okay. Now let's take the blue. Because blue just spilled right here. Naughty blue, I'm going to kill you. What's this? That looks like black. Right?
Do you see balls of color? Color balls.
Yeah, I can see. 1,000 of them. Okay. Now it's red flour. Bro, this looks like real blood. This looks like from Dracula's blood. red. Is it black or? This looks like black. Bruh. You got to be kidding me. Some are floating, some are like eggs. Wait, can I suck this up? Can I suck this up? Yes, I can. Wait. I sucked it. Hey? Wait. Now I can't. Okay. Oh, this toy. That too loud. Was this toy. And now, of the end of this video, I'm going to go and wash my hands. Because, see. Yeah, did you enjoy my color ball video? Bye.